It's a 2014 Honda Accord. Nearly 40 years of heritage brings you this incomparable Accord. It has many convenient features like keyless entry, speed control, climate control, and a low tire pressure warning. Plus, it's earned every one of its 5 stars in safety with features like smart vent front-side airbags, stability and traction control, and anti-lock brakes with brake assist.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. See objects previously out of sight with a rear view camera. Bluetooth wireless technology keeps you in command and in touch.
Quality, reliability, and comfort are just a few things that have set the Accord apart for so many years. Test drive this one today.
Call, click, or stop in today and let us show you how good we really are. Brandon Honda, conveniently located at 9209 East Adamo Drive on Highway 60 in Tampa, Florida.